How's it going, bro? My name is PewDiePie. Wait a minute, that's not my intro. Okay. Top of the morning, ladies. My name is Jacksepticeye, and wait a minute, that's also not my intro. Hold on. Where's there it is. Hello, guys. What's up? This is More the Crazy Guy here, and this is my own YouTube channel, and this is another episode of MOReaction. And today I'm gonna react to Monkey Wrench, The Ghost Egg by Zeurel. Now, for those of you that don't know, Zeurel is one of those YouTubers that make animations on YouTube. He's been making animations for a long time. He's actually pretty famous. The thing is, nowadays he's not making as many animations as he used to. And this video right here is a project that I've been working on for a long time. Seriously, he's been giving out many teasers and trailers about how it has been made. I was actually waiting for that video to come out to see how it turns out. Now I can finally react to it with you guys. I'm sure it's gonna turn out great. I remember watching Zeurel videos a long time ago. Hopefully we'll make more original videos soon. Zeurel, if you're watching this video, though you're probably not, keep up the good work. We all love you. And by we, I'm talking about your fans. Like, not everybody in the world or something. I mean, it would be kind of impossible for everyone in the world to know who you are. I mean, you got my point. So anyway, I'm ready. I'm sure it's gonna turn out great. And right at the beginning I can see there's a warning. Let's see. This video has sequences of flashing colors and lights that may be triggering for viewers that suffer from epilepsy or other photosensitive conditions. Well, it sure is a good thing that I don't suffer from it. Viewer discretion is advised. That's something they put at the beginning of every video of Zeurel. If you're a fan of Zeurel, you would have got the joke. Well, let's watch. One more episodes? See? What did I tell you? He's probably working on more. We got some eagle people. It's nice to see when everything is confused and we don't understand what's going on.
Who put you up to this? It was DH, wasn't it? Well, he's too late. I've already sent it to Law HQ. It won't change a thing.
What is this?
I'm not afraid of you.
Yeah, of course you're not.
Okay. Actually, maybe I am.
Yes,
Your
you are.
master is a man of opportunity. How about you both look the other way and I,
Is this the money in this universe?
Something else, maybe. One of my casinos. Please, please. Surely I can be worth more to you alive.
And here we go. The first death in this video. We're in space, as I see. And this is a woman. Actually, it wasn't very surprising.
Hey, nice work as always, Miss Kara. A shame we didn't catch Chester in time. We're already putting together a plan to retrieve the package, but it'll take a while. However, to pass the time, I have something else for you.
What is the other thing?
That bird. He's your next target. You can deal with his bodyguards as you see fit. Have fun.
I know the other two characters. I've seen them in the teasers and trailers. So they are the bodyguards. And here the video starts. Episode 1, Ghost Egg.
Where you going, money? You're my money, right? I love you, money. My. Huh?
Here's the character.
I'm up. Who is this? This is.
Rise and shine, Strike, my boy. So, did I win the bet? You're tangled in the bed sheets again, right?
No. What is it, peeps? I need my siesta.
You asked me.
I'm gonna guess the other guy is the guy that talks to him on the phone is the other guy.
What? Here? Here where?
The J-O-B?
Yay. Oh.
J-O-B.
Oh, right. Yeah. Be there in a sec, amigo.
This is one of those series that happen in space.
The owner of the Thick Chick Casino and one of the largest lobbyists for the League of Aligned Worlds, billionaire Chester McNevins.
We got
was found
aliens.
Dead at Capella Station late last
Was
evening.
found dead.
Authorities believe it was another hired hit, as it bears striking resemblance.
Here's the other guy from the teasers and trailers. How many times have I said teasers and trailers in this video?
Want to see the body?
Yeesh, Poor bastard. Hey, it lives. Good sleep?
Oh, sleep's good till you wake up, amigo. What are you watching?
Yeah.
Anything good?
Just the news. As miserable
I like how
as
his
ever.
shirt's saying
Looks like that
beard,
Kara
'cause he's
character
got a
struck
beard.
down another wealthy law supporter.
Probably deserved it, supporting law and all. Oh, and speaking of miserable, when we gonna get AG in here? Running out of this stuff.
We'll get artificial gravity when we can afford it. Have you
Artificial
seen our
gravity.
position on the board? We can't even think about fixing up the bucket yet. Slogging through lesser jobs to get to better paid ones is part of the game. It wasn't just me starting this Merc company. You gotta pull your weight too.
Yeah, I know.
I'm sorry, I'm not talking that much. I want to listen.
You know, for the job.
The client said he'll meet up with us on the plant surface below at these coordinates. Looks pretty remote. Being so far out, my guess is that he doesn't want too much attention. Once we're down there, he said he'll discuss the full terms. At least that's what I can make out.
100K pixels, huh? Not bad. Looks like he just wants a bodyguard or something.
Here's the guy they're supposed to be bodyguarding.
Sounds super shady to me, amigo. Who writes like this?
We'll find out when we get down there. Not as if we can't handle ourselves if things get rough.
At least the pay is better than our last job you got us. Ain't never removing super ticks off a jumbo space whale ever again for measly 25K. Man, I need my pizza fixed. And soon.
How about once this
Pizza
job's
fixed?
over, and to make up for the last one, we go hit up the nearest pizza apocalypse. You can get your favorite.
15 cheese.
Atomic Supreme.
Atomic Supreme. Interesting so far. What the heck?
This is the guy. Oh, I swear if this is some sort of...
Let me handle it. So, you're Nobert? You don't look exactly like your profile.
No profiling me.
What?
It sounds like him. You contacted us about doing a job for you 2 days ago?
No, Bert, job ghost egg.
Is that a
Here's
yes?
the ghost egg.
Ghost egg?
No.
No.
You said
I
you'd
was thinking
provide
the
us
same
with the full
thing.
job terms
He's
when
a
we got
loco.
down here.
Ghost egg? What? Ghost egg?
It's okay, calm down. No one's gonna ghost egg you?
Can I shoot him, please?
No, gonna ghost egg me.
Thieves, please don't tell me we came all this way. A trip that took 2 full days of blue space travel, mind you, to some swamp-ass armpit of a solar system to protect a neurotic lunatic who thinks he's being haunted by a phantom freaking head.
Mate, we're already here. We're doing it.
All right, fine. How long we
Probably
gotta
been
put
a
up
long
with this
way,
freak?
for sure.
Says he needs us to escort him to Dock 57 on Oberon Station. There he can be free from Ghost Egg. His words, not mine.
Wait.
Obviously, it's gonna turn out to be real, and the ghost egg would be real, right?
You're saying I gotta put up with him and his phantom huevo for 6 days?
6 days, huh?
Yeah.
The money's right. And besides, just look at him. Poor guy could use a break.
Oh, he's dealing with a break, all right.
The way he was moving his head.
All right, let's go, Eggman. 10K pixels say this'll be boring as all hell. Huh?
What the?
Huh?
There's the bird, lads! Get him for Queen Tyneen!
Oh, we're finally gonna see some action.
Check on it. I owe you nothing.
I mean, before the beginning, but back then we didn't see them actually fight.
Here we go.
Cool.
Check. Is that... Sanchez, is that you?
Ricky? Oh, what the hell you doing here, man?
Boss Queen Tyneen
Also,
sent
you
us
know
after
this
the
guy.
bird guy. He's got quite the bounty on his head. Don't tell me you're after it too.
Nah, man, this is a Merc contract thing. Wait. Bounty?
Uh-oh.
Binks, he's got a bounty. How much?
I think it was something like 10 million pixels.
10 million.
I shouldn't have told you that.
Binks, please. It's at least 100 times what we're gonna...
Oh no, not this time. We're not breaking this contract.
In every group of two, there is always the serious one and the jokey one, or the... You know what I mean.
Huh? Oh, what's this?
Oh, what's that? Boom!
Bounty that big? No wonder he wanted an escort.
You're still not getting that 10K, by the way. And you, how the hell did you get a bounty that damn high? Babes, I wanna swap shoulders.
Swap shoulders.
Why didn't you hit them?
We don't have any eyes.
Oh, yeah. Tiny ain't gonna like this.
Yo, Ricket, what up? You got the bird, yeah? Bring Mama some of that good news.
Sorry, Mama. No good news. That bird got the monkey wrench guys as escorts under some sort of merc contract thing.
Did that other guy lose his head?
Out of it, they're taking him to Oberon.
Sanchez? They not after the bounty the Pro Tools gave him? Ha! Get your ass back up here, Ricket. We're heading out. All right, listen up. All sights on that idiot Sanchez. When his ship escapes the atmosphere, I want everyone ready to board that heap of scrap. We'll kick the crap out of him and take the bird by force. And once we have, we'll force the Potus to quadruple the payout. I really
The evil master, always.
Spouts! Yes, Mammy Jammy! Be ready to target Sanchez's ship and fire the
Mammy
grapple the
Jammy,
moment
huh?
they get in range. Aye, aye, Queenie Weenie. Grapple wapple go zip zoom kaboom!
Target sighted, Captain.
Ready. Aim!
Dude, they're already getting a lock on us.
Yeah.
Fine. All we gotta do is jump out of here. Like right now.
You did make sure Nobert's comfortable before we hit blue space, right?
Yep. I tucked him in nice and tight.
Ah, yeah, nice and tight, huh?
No, you ain't pretty. Go bye-bye. Deep breath. It's okay, tiny girl. Calm down. It doesn't matter. We know where they're headed. We'll just have to ambush them at Oberon.
Actually, Your Toothiness, if I may interject, if we had just headed to Oberon instead of attacking them just now, then they wouldn't know that we were coming, and we could have had the element of surprise on our side.
Exactly. Henchmen are smart. And they left him behind. Of course, because that's what an evil master does.
So, how do you think a thing like Norbert got a bounty of 10 million pixels? You know, besides him going all the time.
Beats me. But for that amount, someone wants him dead.
I've been with him for like, what, 30 minutes? And I already want him dead. Hey,
He got free.
Attack, why don't you? Wait, how'd you get out?
Yeah. So that's the ghost
You
egg?
take him back to his room, gently.
Oh, yeah. Come here, you scraggly little...
When are they gonna see the ghost egg too?
What now?
Yeah, what now? Let's see.
Hey, if you can't tell, I'm a little busy right here, so call back later. Hey, unless it happens to be that fine senorita from Antares Falls.
Hey, Squidhead, my man.
And here's the cat that I also saw in the teasers and trailers.
How's it going?
Oh, hey, it's you. Scratch.
Scratch, that's the name. Typical name for a cat.
Oh, I hear you're in possession of a certain someone. With a rather hefty bounty on their wee tender head,
I don't know where you heard that.
Dude, he's right there. I can clearly see him.
Yeah.
Word got now. Now you guys are honoring his contract instead of handing his head over to the appropriate authorities? Who are you? That's not the Sanchez I know. You would have jumped on that like a fat kid on a cupcake.
What? Me? I would never. It was Babe's idea.
And yeah, I thought we were amigos. How could you lie to me like that, man? I'm hurt. I think, oh yeah, there it goes. Oh no, I'm heartbroken. Oh, shame.
He's losing one of his 9 lives.
Helped you set up your company. Got you a great deal on the bucket. The bucket!
Oh, por amor de Dios. Tug at my heartstrings, why don't you? Oh, what'll make you go away?
You know who he sounds like? I just realized that the skinny guy kind of sounds like Dr. Doofenshmirtz from Phineas and
I'm
Ferb.
need that bounty money now more than ever to replace the
Just a
hardware
little
one
bit,
that you
a
just
little
broke.
bit.
And, you know, for all the other things you still owe me, too.
The only thing I owe you is a swift kick up the culo.
Fine. If you want to be that way, I'll just have Scritch here blow you guys to smithereens and I'll take the bird that way. Your call. Amigo.
He's got a lock on us.
Oh, fine. Whatever will make you leave me the hell alone. I need your coordinates if you want me to send them over.
Oh, goody. We're just at your 7 o'clock high. Amigo. What?
Amigo that pendejo.
Flipping.
Now that's over.
Flipping the
Want to take
cat
Norbert back to
away.
his quarters? If Tiny and Scratch know about his bounty, then we sure as hell got a lot more trouble coming.
Hey, I welcome anything that could liven up this 6-day-long babysit, amigo. Come here, you stupid.
This is gonna be a fun couple of days. Time to buckle up.
So many bounty hunters. This is one hell of a ride. What is he doing there? Ah, he's fighting. You really think it's gonna be adult material? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Literally. Yeah, that big guy is doing nothing. He's like just sitting there. And here's the rabbit from the beginning. Oh God. He's being driven insane. Is he gonna join that bird and become insane just like him?
Oh, finally we're here.
Finally.
I can't wait to be rid of this guy. I never want to hear no ever again.
But we'd be a lot more quiet without him. I think I might even miss him.
After this, it's onward to Pizza Apocalypse and my 15-cheese Atomic Supreme, baby.
I don't know how you can eat that thing and survive, man.
Nah. Is that a rabbit lady?
Babes, is it just me or are we being followed?
I'm sure it's just you. Come on, Robert's cage is just down here.
I'm sure it's just you.
So, how much you want to bet Tyneen or Scratch drop in at the last second?
Why would you want to win that? Okay, Mr. Nobert, here you are. We escorted you to Dock 57 on Oberon, as contract states. Just sign here, and our business is done. You'll be free from ghost eggs.
Oh, look at you, all professional-like, huh? It's pizza time, baby!
Signing me!
Pizza time. What's happening? I knew it. I knew it. I knew it was them.
Oh, hey! Fancy seeing you guys here. Well, did you come to see him off too? Oh, I hope you brought some tissues.
Wow, so many.
Very touching farewell.
Got it, Sanchez. Hand over the bird, and you won't be hurt too badly.
Nah.
Hey, the queen got here first, Furbag. We have dibs.
What do you mean, dibs? The bird's bounty rightfully belongs to me. Mine, bonehead.
Aw, look at the fat little kitty mouse.
Ha.
Just trying to play pie with.
Oh, you're asking for it now, you dumb boner.
Are they gonna fight each other and then the good guys will get away?
Look, it's the ghost egg.
Ghost egg? Ghost what?
Well, they got away.
After him, ladies!
Alright, fighting time.
Silence, please.
Still about signing. Uh-oh. Now there's no gravity. Oh, they got special gear to help them stay. I see the glow. We're learning about this series slowly. About how things work here and there. Whoa, that was close. Ah, sad cat eyes. And what's gonna happen next? Uh-oh. Well, that Sanchez is a jerk, but he sure is a professional. Oh god, she ate them. I know she's using it back like a dragon.
Ooh, calm to it. Oh God!
Yeah.
Oh! I got him, guys! I got him! Huh? Oh, what's that? Oh, goodness!
Huh? Hey, no blinds. That's cheating.
No way! Is that Kara?
Kara, wait. Isn't she that elite assassin chick that's been... Wait, assassin?
Yep.
Oh, no, you don't. That bird is mine.
Let's see what's gonna happen now. Duct tape. Surprise, surprise, it worked. Protagonist armor.
Look, it's been a long 6 days. And I've had next to no peace and quiet thanks to him and his constant nose. Guys like you coming in and busting my ass. And as much as I'd like to off a little weirdo myself, I have a contract to uphold. And I really, really want some pizza. So please, Make this easy for me and step away from him. Now!
Ghost egg.
The ghost egg finally appeared. I knew it, I had a feeling. Showing us a hot body, but then a weird face.
Queen Potu? No, mommy. No run away, son. No run away from
Son?
responsibilities. No, Hayden.
Oh, so he was running away from responsibilities?
I'll need you. No, please. No, please. No, please. No. Yes, mother.
And that's just it.
Well, there goes my new battle cruiser. Miss Cora, wait! Sign my back!
If that don't beat all.
After all that, babe, we didn't get paid.
What? Oh.
Short, stubby legs. He missed everything. Monkey Ranch, Episode 1. And here are all the credits. Of course, Zeurel would voice that crazy character. It was a very big project, I told you. Lots of people worked on this. Not just Zeurel. I mean, the main animation is clearly his, but you got it. I also like how there are other people that I know already that took part in this project. I recognize some people here. Want more episodes? Yes! Yes, I do! It's over. Something at the end.
That's the thing that people have been killed over. Don't look that special to me.
Whoa. What if it's cursed? Maybe we're next.
Yeah, whatever it is, I ain't risking my life for it.
But Commander Tazori said to...
Nuts to her. Let's just pawn it off to someone else. Our shift's almost over anyways.
If you say so.
Let's go hit up Jake.
This is gonna be the mystery of the next episode. To be continued. Like I said. That was nice. The project was totally worth it. And now I'm just gonna wait until it's finally over. Well, I guess that was it. I was waiting to see if there's something else at the end, but no, it's just it. So, that was the video. This video sure was incredible. This big project was all worth it at the end. I see we're getting ourselves to a new series of animations. I can't wait to see what the next episode will be about. It's probably gonna take a long time since the next episode will come out, but I can wait. Sure, I can wait. For that, I can wait. Now that I've watched this video, I should probably memorize the characters' names now, so I'll be able to enjoy it more at the next episode. But that was it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time on more reaction. Bye!